So this is just going to be a quick refresher on my Canvas page. Right now I'm actually doing this in the summertime, so you can see I don't have any classes in my dashboard. So I'm going to go to old courses here. And don't worry if the formatting looks a little bit different. I'm of course in teacher mode, you'll be in student mode. But here's one of last year's courses. And you have some options on the left side here, but the main one I want to show you today are the files. I'll try to organize these files for you. You can see I have each semester, and then within the semester, I'll have each unit. So this lesson that we're going to be working on this website is one-dimensional motion. And unfortunately, for the sake of showing you, I don't have this lab's lesson because we didn't do it last year. It's actually a new lab that I'm going to try, but I can open one up similar to it. Now we are going to be doing this in PDF Expert, so you do have to open up the PDF form, which I'll make sure I upload the PDF document for you. And then you'll be able to put this on the PDF Expert and then manipulate it appropriately. So you can see this is somewhat similar to the lab we'll be doing today when you get there, in terms of there will be spaces to then insert images. And once you have them inserted in PDF Expert, then you'll be able to upload that back into Canvas for me to grade. For the sake of the end of this lesson, we're going to be completing a project, so you can see the acceleration project's guidelines criteria are right here. You'll be able to view that at any time you need. And I've also attached a rubric just so you know how I'll be scoring the project at the end of this lesson. So anytime you're looking for a document, your best place to go is in Canvas, and just go under Files and then navigate from there correctly.